बिस्मिल्लाहि वल्हम्दुलिल्लाहि वस्सलातु वस्सलामु अला रसूलिल्लाह रब्बि शरह ली सदरी वयस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली. Alhamdulillah, we are going to start our first session of this week. Just to recap, we have started a week ago about the Nahv part. Before that, we were doing Sarf level 1 and level 2. We did it. And then we have started Nahv part, that is properties of, we started with properties of ism. There is fa'il and ism, verb and noun. Properties of ism, we discussed last time that there are, I would ask Ashar bhai that would you please recap.
Assalamu alaikum. So there are
Just
four properties
yeah,
for ism. So one is number,
okay,
gender, and number, gender, type, and status.
yes. What about numbers?
Number is there could be three, like singular, plural, or dual.
Okay,
And
for example.
for example, singular is Muslimun, and the dual is Muslimani, and plural is Muslimun and Muslimin.
Muslimin. Okay, and then we have discussed about plural types.
Yeah, plural. There are two types of uh, plural. Solid plural like Jama Salim and broken plural, Jama Mukassar. So solid plural are those which are in regular pattern, follow the regular pattern like Muslimun and Muslimin. And other plural which are not following this pattern called Jama Mukassar.
And there are two types. One is
In Jama Mukassar, there are non-human broken plural and human broken plural.
okay.
Yep. And human broken plural, uh, sorry, non-human broken plural treated as feminine gender. And there are rules for broken plural, like be treated as a third person, singular, or and feminine.
Okay. And human broken plural, they are sometimes treated as it is,
As
or sometimes they are
feminine.
treated as feminine. And the
Yes,
rules for broken plural that they all are third person singular feminine.
feminine.
Singular feminine.
Yes.
I have, sorry. Uh, I would ask, sorry, I have little problem in the system today. Khalsa, would you please share your PowerPoint screen? I have problem in my PowerPoint program today. Okay. So there are the plural type. They are solid plural, broken plural, and collective noun we have discussed so far. Like Khalidun, if I take Khalidun, which type of plural is it? I would ask Musab Bal.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam, Musab.
Khalidun would be solid plural.
Solid plural. And what is the singular for Khalid? Khalidun is?
Khaliduna, Khalidina,
What is the singular of Khalidun?
Khalid.
Khalid. Okay, brother Javed Rasul. Abwab.
Yeah, it is a solid plural.
Abwab.
Bab, abwab. Yeah, solid plural.
Can you please differentiate solid plural and broken plural by definition?
Sorry, solid is that follow the pattern like Khalid,
Normal
Khalidun.
pattern, like
Muslim, Muslimun, Muslimain.
Muslimin, Muslimun, Muslimin.
Muslimin, yeah.
And the dual is Muslimani, Muslimaini. What about Abwab?
This is a broken plural, sorry.
Broken
This is
plural.
broken,
And
yes.
which broken plural? Human broken plural or non-human
It is
broken plural?
non-human. Bab is door, non-human.
And it will be treated as
As third person, singular, feminine.
feminine. And what about this
Sorry?
Aya?
This is also same broken plural.
And this is solid plural,
This is broken.
plural or
Broken plural.
can you please see here? Jannatun.
Oh,
Like Jannatun.
oh.
This is Jannah is first Jannatun.
Yeah.
This is Muslimatun, Muslimatun. Jannatun,
So
Jannatun.
this is non-human, feminine, solid plural.
Solid plural, but they are treated as
Third person, singular, feminine.
third person singular feminine. So solid feminine like Jannatun, Jannatun, Ayatun, Ayatun.
So this follows the same pattern. Oh,
This
is
follows
different.
the same pattern. Yeah. What about Anhar? It is solid plural or broken plural?
Nahar, anhar. I think it's broken.
Yeah, abwab. The una or ina, if comes, then it is normal plural. But other than that, they does not follow the normal pattern, then they are broken plural, like anhar.
Yeah, it is broken.
Are you clear in this?
Yeah, I'm clear. Yeah. Only with the
What about
feminine is different. Only with the feminine, this
only
plural.
feminine
Yeah.
and non-human feminine.
But this Muslima and Muslimatun, right? Muslimatun, Muslimatun.
Yeah, this is
Like
human
Aya
feminine.
and Ayatun.
Yeah, Muslimatun, they are, of course, they are human feminine.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
So we will do the next thing. Sorry, I have a little bit problem in my system today, but
Should I share or Brother Akhtar?
actually it become frozen today. Just if you can please share.
Okay, I can try. Okay.
Okay, Jazakallah khair. Sorry for that. So next slide, please. Okay, so now we are going to start the second property of ism, that is gender, gens. Gender, we know that there is masculine gender and feminine gender. Masculine gender is muzakkar, feminine gender is muannas. Can you please go to the next? Next slide, please. So, masculine gender, muzakkar. Any example? Brother Ijaz?
Masculine gender,
Yeah.
like Rajul, Muslim,
Muslim,
yeah.
kafir, Khalid,
Khalid,
and like this. Yeah.
and
And the second is we are doing that feminine gender. There are two type of feminine gender, like real feminine and non-real feminine. Real feminine, like we know that due to biological reason, like ummun, bintun, ukhtun, mother, daughter, sister, whatever that we know, this is due to biological reason, they are real feminine. But in Arabic language, there are some other things which are treated as feminine. They are called non-real feminine or fake feminine. There are 8 reasons for that. That sometimes we treat ism as feminine, and they are: the first is if there is ta marbuta at the end. Can you please go to the next slide? Yeah. There is ta marbuta at the end, like sa'atun, maghfiratun, rahmatun, ibadatun. The ta marbuta at the end. This is the first reason. When there is ta marbuta at the end, we take it as a feminine. There are some exceptions like Usama, Ubaida, Khalifa. They are treated as masculine. This is exception for this. But other than that, if there is ta marbuta at the end, if you see here sa'a, maghfirah, rahmah, ibadah, so this, if ta marbuta comes at the end, that is muannas, that is feminine gender. The next is all broken plural. We just discussed before that broken plural, they are treated as third person singular feminine. So broken plural like kuffar, rusul, rijal, kutub, iqlam, all broken plural are treated as singular third person singular feminine. That's why they are feminine gender, muannas. The third reason is Ism Tafdeel. We discussed this before. First, let us discuss Ism Tafdeel, and then there is like in level 1 we discussed Karuma, Yakrumu, Kabir the big, and Akbar, bigger. That is basically Ism Tafdeel, Akbar. And the feminine of Akbar is Kubra. Azim, the great. And compare Ism Tafdeel is Azam. And the feminine of Azam is Uzma. Similarly, Saghir, this is Fa'il. And Tafdeel for this Asghar, smaller. Saghir, small, Asghar, smaller. And the feminine of Asghar is Sughra. And similarly, Bashir, Abshar, and Bushra. So all Ism Tafdeel, feminine Ism Tafdeel, they are not recognized as Ya Maksura at the end, Kubra, Uzma, Sughra, Bushra, and they are basically treated as Muannas, feminine gender. Then we have colors and body defects that ends with like Hamra, Safra, all the colors, red, yellow, Khadra, green, they are treated as all the colors, and with normally they comes with them, they are treated as Muannas, feminine gender. And also the body defects like Bukma, Umya, these are body defects. Bukma means dumb, and Amya is blind. So comes at the end, so they are also treated as feminine, Muannas gender, feminine gender. Then we have body parts which are in pair, like hands, ears, eyes, legs. They are also all body parts in pairs. They are treated as Muannas. This is non-real feminine, fake feminine. We treat them like Yadun, Uzun, Uznun, ear, Ainun, eye, rijlun, leg, like this. So body parts in pair, they are also treated as muannas. Just we have to look them, and we should have clear concept about them, then when we will use them in there. All the name of places like Makkah, Madian, Rome, Misr, all name of places, they are also treated as feminine, muannas. And due to some things, due to linguistic reason, sama, earth, nar, jahannam, sabil, rih, khamr, asa, ard, harb, these, there are some examples here like sun, sky, earth, jannah, jahannam, nar. They are due to linguistic reason, we treat them as feminine. So again, we are discussing about properties of ism, and properties of ism. The first properties was we discussed, that is number. The second we are discussing today is gender. Gender means jins. There are two gender, we know that, masculine gender and feminine gender, muzakkar and muannas. Muzakkar, we know that there is no problem, we will see it, Muslim, kafir, Khalid, all this we will know that they are muzakkar. But feminine, one feminine is due to biological reason. All these ummun, bintun, ukhtun, just by meaning we will see that yes, they are feminine. But there are, in Arabic language, we treat some ism as feminine due to some reason, and they are called fake feminine, a non-real feminine. And the reasons are, first reason is if there is ta marbuta at the end, sa'ah, maghfirah, rahmah, ibadah. So they are ta marbuta at the end, in such ism they will be feminine. There are exceptions, they are written. All broken plural, one is solid plural and one is broken plural. Broken plural which does not follow the normal pattern, as we have seen the example, rijal, rusul, kuffar, iqlam, they are also treated as feminine. Isme tafdeel, like if isme tafdeel with the ya maksura comes at the end, like kubra, uzma, sughra, bushra. I told you about the masculine of this, like this is akbar, azam, asghar, abshar. They are masculine, but feminine of akbar is kubra, azam is uzma. So if this ya maksura comes at the end, they are also feminine. All the colors and body defects ends with a, like hamra, bukma, colors and body defects, they are also treated as feminine. And body parts which comes in pair, like eyes, hands, legs, ears, so they are also treated as, they will be treated as muannas. They will be muannas. All the name of places like Makkah, Madian, Rome, Misr, they will be muannas. And due to some linguistic reasons, in Arab they treat like Shams, sun, Nafs, Nar, Jahannam, Sabil, Rih, they treat these things somehow, just they take it as muannas because of language reasons. So these things we have, that the 8 reasons. Just we should just overview it with example. And also one thing, we just 7th and 8th is, we discussed this before, non-human feminine solid plural are treated as broken plural. Non-human feminine solid as ayatun, jannatun, as brother Javed Rasul was talking about. So they are also non-human. So let's take some examples and let's see that are they feminine or masculine. So I would first go to, just for revision purpose, I would take brother Shahid Iqbal first.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam. Shahid bhai, just imraat,
Imra'atun is feminine
feminine. Any reasons?
because it ends with ta marbuta.
Ta marbut. Okay. What about wujuhun?
Wujuhun is also feminine because it's non-broken, is a broken plural.
Broken plural. Very nice. Ayatin.
Ayatin is also feminine because it's category 8, non-human, feminine, solid plural.
Jazakallah khair, Shahid bhai. So I would go to Brother Ahsan.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam. Salatun. Is it masculine or feminine? If feminine, what is the reason?
Salatun is feminine. It's ta marbuta at the end.
Ta marbuta at the end. And we know that we sometimes say salah, ta marbuta will change into ha. Okay. What about azwaj?
Azwaj. Azwaj is, I think so. It's feminine, right?
Okay, and just guess the reason. Yes, it is feminine. I agree with you.
Because it's the plural of Zawj.
Zawj, and Zawj plural is azwaj, and azwaj is not solid plural. It is broken plural. It does not follow the normal pattern. Azwaj, abwab.
Right.
Okay, thank you. Nice,
Yes.
very nice. Okay, now I would go to Brother Riza.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam wa rahmatullah, brother. Brother Riza, Layla.
Layla is feminine,
Feminine.
because of at the end is ta marbuta.
And with ta marbuta. What about Sama'un?
Samaun is a linguistic purpose, is
Due to
reason.
linguistic
It's
reason.
feminine.
Yeah, Arab treat them as feminine, so this is okay. Abid.
Abed, Abed is mudhakkar.
Muzakkar, masculine
Masculine.
gender. Yes. Okay. Thank you very much, Brother
You're
Riza.
welcome.
So I would go to Brother Arshad.
Assalamu alaikum. Yes.
Walaikum assalam wa rahmatullah, Arshad bhai. Arshad bhai, Ardun.
Adam. Sorry.
Ardun, this one. This is Muzakkar or Muannas?
Sorry, cannot see. Sorry, I have some problem.
Oh, sorry.
Uh,
Can you see this table?
Yes, sorry. Yes.
In this table, the second row, last column from the right.
Yes, sorry. Ardun.
Ardun.
Yeah. Ardun. Sorry.
Yeah. Earth.
Ard. Yeah. It is feminine
Feminine due to
due to linguistic reason.
linguistic reason.
Yes.
And what about Qiyamah?
Qiyama is feminine because of ta marbuta at the end.
Ta marbuta at the end. Yes. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
So I would go to Anusha.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam. Anusha, can you please tell me the properties of ism?
The properties of is, so
We discussed one property last week. What was that?
properties of like is, like we talked about ism, so like the properties are that it
Ayan. We have to give the answer very promptly. We have to see the slides before coming to the class. Ayan, yes, properties of ism.
the properties of ism are
Last week, which property we discussed, Ayan?
we discussed about number.
Yeah. We discussed about what?
Number.
Number. And then today?
Gender.
Gender. Gender is of how many types? I think you are still sleeping. So please try to. I would go to Jafar. Jafar Iqbal.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam, Jafar. Jafar, can you please tell me the properties of ism?
Number, gender, type, status.
Okay. And today we are discussing about gender. Gender can be two types. What are those?
Feminine and masculine.
Masculine and
Feminine.
feminine. Any example of masculinism? Just tell me that yes, this is masculinism.
Yeah. Uh,
Any?
Muslimun.
Muslimun. Any other?
Azabun.
Azabun. Azabun is yes, but any other? Khalid, Kafir, Abid. So this and feminine. Feminine are two types. One is
Feminine. Real feminine and fake.
examples.
Okay.
Examples. Muhammad Ash'ar.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam. Thank you, Jafar. Feminine. Feminine have two types. One is
Real feminine and fake feminine.
fake feminine. Okay, real feminine examples.
Ummun, bintun, and ukhtun.
Can you please translate this? Ummun, bintun, ukhtun.
Ummun is mother.
Yes.
Bintun is sister. No,
Daughter.
Daughter.
Yeah.
Ukhtun is sister.
Ukhtun is sister. Thank you. So I would go to Abdullah Abrar. I think Abdullah Abrar is there.
Yes.
Yeah, Abdullah Abrar, can you please tell me the Muannas second type? What is that? We say it what?
One second type is fake feminine.
Okay, what are the 8 reasons? Can you please tell me just 2 reasons for Muannas that we take some ism as feminine? This is fake feminine. Any 2 reasons?
One is ta marbuta, which comes at the ends of words like
Yes. Any example? Yeah.
And magfiratun, and then non-human feminine solid plurals. They are like broken. They are also like
like
plurals. Ayatun, jannat.
Jannat. Okay, Buraq. Tell me any other reason which 2 have mentioned by Abdullah. Would you please mention 2 others? Buraq.
Okay. I was just thinking about those 2, the ones that I think there's Muslim.
This is done, Buraq. Any other 2? Don't waste the time, please. Just tell. The reasons are written there. Just. Safi.
Yes.
Safi, just tell me the 2 reasons. Any 2 reasons. First and last 2 reasons for be feminine, fake feminine.
One is with ta marbuta at the ending.
Yeah, it's done. Second.
And the second is when it has broken plural.
Broken plural. Can you please tell me about this anhar? This is feminine or masculine?
Anhar, it's a broken plural.
Yes, and it is feminine. What about this a'malun?
A'malun, it's also broken plural, so it's feminine.
Okay, narun.
Narun, it's feminine.
Why?
No, it's masculine.
No. Can you please read this? Due to linguistic reason, these things will be treated as muannas. Can you please read all these?
The
Harb, Sama, Shams, Nafs, Nar, Jahannam. So these things will be treated as feminine because due to linguistic reason. Linguistic reason. Ibrahim Farhan.
Yes, Assalamu alaikum.
Yes. Walaikum assalam. Ibrahim, just tell me Misr. Is it Muzakkar or Muannas?
Muzakkar.
Can you please tell me the reasons for all feminine? First reason is?
It has a tab marbuta at the end.
Okay, second?
It's a broken plural.
Third?
Ism tafdil with ya at the end.
Okay.
And fourth, colors and body defects that end with a hamza.
Okay, then?
Body parts in pairs.
Then?
Names of places.
Then?
Linguistic reasons.
Okay, what about Misr?
Misr.
You know Misr?
No.
Yeah, in English it is called Egypt.
Egypt. Oh.
Okay, Egypt. So Misr is basically name of?
Places.
Place, yes. Khalidun. First tell me it is singular or plural?
Plural.
Plural. What is the singular of Khalidun?
Khalid.
Khalid. If it is plural, what type of plural is? Broken plural or solid plural?
Solid plural.
Solid plural. And solid plural, is it Muzakkar or Muannas?
Muzakkar.
Muzakkar. Very good. Can I ask you one more thing?
Okay.
Okay. What about this Sa'atun? Muzakkar or Muannas?
Muannas.
Why?
It's.
What is the first reason? What is at the end? This is what? Last letter.
Ta marbuta.
Ta marbuta at the end. And ta marbuta at the end, it is feminine.
Oh, okay. Oh, yes.
Can you please tell me about this khadra?
Khadra, it's fake feminine.
Yeah. Reason?
Colors and body defects.
Colors. And what is the meaning of khadra? Which color?
Khadra. Green.
Okay. So thank you very much, Ibrahim. Good.
Okay.
Good job. So we have to finish it here. We have to go for the second session. Over to you, Dr.